Hello students, welcome to class 4. Today we will discuss the last section of chapter 7 air, and today we will discuss the last topic, that is air pollution and its causes. So first of all we will see the definition of air pollution. So mixing of pollutants in air is called air pollution. So here one word has come, pollutants. So what do you mean by pollutants? Pollutants are the unwanted and harmful substances that make air unfit for breathing. So what are the unwanted substances or harmful substances, like excess of carbon dioxide in the air, the smoke, dust, etc. These are the unwanted substances that make air unfit for breathing. So the substances that are harmful, that are unwanted, when they mix with the air, then the air becomes polluted. We have seen the definition of pollution and pollutants. Let us discuss the causes of air pollution. So there are various causes, we will discuss one by one. The first one is dust and smoke from vehicles and construction sites. We see in our everyday life there are hundreds of vehicles that are running on the road and they release dust and smoke, which cause air pollution. Second point is smoke from factories and industry. In India or in the world there are millions of factories and industries and they produce smoke, dust and other harmful gases which cause air pollution. Third point is smoke and ash from forest fires and volcanic eruptions. So this is a very important factor because especially in summer season forest fires causes air pollution, because in the forest fires harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. produce and they cause air pollution. Next point is burning of wood, coal and plastic. Again wood, coal and plastics produce very harmful substances or very harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, dust and smoke, and these cause air pollution and these are very harmful for us. Now open garbage dumping, and the next one is germs due to spitting, coughing and sneezing. So these are very important cause of air pollution, and garbage dumping, spitting, coughing and sneezing produces germs and these are very harmful for our air and for us. So these are the causes of air pollutions. Let us see the prevention of air pollution. So there are various methods to prevent air pollution. The first method is use smokeless chulhas, solar cooker, LPG and biogas instead of fossil fuels for cooking. So examples of fossil fuels are coal, kerosene oil, etc. So instead of using fossil fuels for cooking, we can use smokeless chulhas, solar cookers, LPG means liquefied petroleum gas, and biogas. Second point is use CNG instead of diesel and petrol vehicles, because CNG are the gases that produces no smoke. So CNG, the full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. So instead of diesel and petrol vehicles we can use CNG. Now the third point is use unleaded petrol in vehicles, because lead produces a lot of harmful gases. So we can use unleaded petrol for vehicles. Next point is plant more trees as they purify air. In the process of photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide from our environment and produces oxygen, so they purify air. So we can plant more and more trees. And the last one is do not burn garbage, because burning of garbage produces various harmful and unwanted gases. So these are the preventions of air pollutions. So this is the end of this chapter. Until then, thank you so much.